welcome back to the channel. Damn, it's bright as hell out here. But today we actually supposed to be crashing a EV meet, but so far, bro, we don't see any EVs. I don't know if we got the wrong time. We got fucking 1, 2, 3, 5 GTs out today. Jade shit, my shit. We got the S197. This actually look clean, I ain't gonna lie. This bitch is clean. Got Greg shit. And you got Tonio, the super big boy shit.
Is my bumper fucked up? Why you got no video?
You good actually.
Tone, I'm gonna beat your ass, bro. Look what you done did, bro. My shit been cooked ever since, dog.
Damn, release your hand, dog. Damn.
He just yoinked my shit off.
I got the airbag custom. I had a custom push.
Oh shit. That bitch hard.
Custom stitched airbag, boy. Stop playing with him. Y'all ain't got this.
We about to actually head out right now and cruise with the EV boys. Yeah. So far we got everybody pulled up. Everybody done pulled up. That rap is sick. I like that rap. Oh, I ain't telling them I got Trinity with me. Trinity is here with me. Say what up, Trinity. Say what up.
They're taking your sweet ass time.
I had to set my camera up.
You niggas, bro.
With us, when we at a light and you see EV, you gotta get out the car and smack them.
Smack the car?
Yeah.
Or the driver?
Both. If they window down, smack both.
I'm not smacking the person.
Okay, you smack that car though for the camera.
Maybe.
Damn, this shit is. You can, yeah, his shit is like terrible. You can hear it. Damn, man, let me talk. Like his shit, you can hear his. It's crazy because Tonio's shit louder than his and they both went at the same time. This
Ears popping.
I need some damn hearing aids. It's crazy because I can make my car that loud, but I don't want to. But being treated like my car isn't loud because their car is around, I kind of want to now. Like they car make it seem like my car is stopped.
I was gonna park right there, but I seen it said no parking, so I'm trying to block the road.
Okay, I thought you.
I'm a Mustang owner, but I follow the law.
Cap.
See what niggas gonna do now, cause I was halfway expecting them to block it off. So.
Oh, it's blocked?
Yeah, all this. So the street right here. I wanted to go ahead and be able to park next to one of them so I can get my picture, but get out the street. Get out the street, dog.
Oh, sorry. My fault.
Be the last time you set up a fucking thing, bro.
Bro, we all.
You ain't do no
My
reading,
fault,
nigga.
bro.
You just seen it and was like, all right, let's
I had
do
the
it, bro.
plan. I had the plan, bro.
You had the plan, but ain't do no pre.
The plan got foiled. What can I do? What can I say?
What you mean, bro?
What you trying to do?
It is.
I'm sick.
Hell no, bro. Get out of here, bro. Nigga got the audacity being a 5'7" talking about his team mopar. Man, get the fuck out of here, bro.
Hey, a little change of plans, y'all. So, as y'all can see, we got Trinity driving my car. I'm gonna be riding with Antonio and his blue thing. I'm telling her look, babe.
I'm lining it up right now.
If a scat pack get next to you, snap that bitch in D. Hit
You mean
this.
S?
Yeah, S. Hit this until you in third gear.
What is that?
This, the paddle shifter, it's gonna put you in third. It's gonna say 3
Can
right
I push
there.
it right now?
Put it back in D.
How do you push it?
You got it. Yo, that motherfucker hold you in the seat.
That bitch be feeling like a whole.
God damn.
Bitch be moving, bro.
Hell yeah.
This suspension. Expect to hear some noise.
Lock his ass up.
In that Mustang, I feel like I'm wrong. All my haters be built like Lausanne. Nigga, don't even talk on my name if you only gon' talk when that shit on the gram. I don't like to speak, unless I'm saying what I really think. Niggas hate that I'm quiet and sleep. Insecure cause they like it, they teachers.
You driving that bitch better than you, girl. I was minding my business. She, yeah, I was like,
Damn, bitch. Say no.
man.
Huh? Hey, hell no. I was like, wait, I gotta get in the corner.
He ain't getting no footage.
Blinkers, can you use it?
Me?
Damn.
I'm a BMW driver at her. I don't know what blinkers are. You see the marks?
Yes. Oh my God.
Bro, that shit is ridiculous, bro. God damn!
So, we can't find no EVs, man. This is literally the only EV we could find. And it's parked. Hey, look at that shit. How you got an EV meet and only 3 people showed up? I got the Mustangs, all GTs, by the way. All GTs. It was all V8s.
The ecoboost slander is crazy.
And it wasn't no EVs, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. I got some good footage in Greg car and Antonio car, so I can actually end this video. Hope y'all like it. Make sure y'all thumbs up, all that. And he popping his hood. He about to show me his supercharger.
Supercharger.
Yeah, bro, why you pop the hood, shit?
Bro, my shit be getting so fucking hot. I gotta get a fucking oil cooler for this
I'm talking about you open up there.
Throttle.
bitch. Got that
Oh, my.
supercharger right on top.
Hell yeah. If I didn't know I was looking at, that would have been a super. I was like, damn, he got that bitch on though. So hopefully y'all like the video still though. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out.